Today, my take on a viral sandwich sensation that's taken the internet by storm. This amazing sandwich has blown up on the internet recently, and this is just my take on the dish. And so first, we want some baby gem lettuce. Next, a handful of spinach. We want a spring onion or two. We want the florets from a pepper. We want a handful of olives, and we want a handful of jalapenos. Throw on a handful of cherry tomatoes and a small bunch of chives. Throw in some parsley and tear off some nice basil leaves. We want a sprinkle of some dry herbs, and my secret, a few tablespoons of creamy mascarpone. Next up, drizzle with some olive oil and a few splashes of balsamic vinegar. And then one of our meats is salami Milano, and the best cheese for this one is some provolone. And then finish with a few slices of mortadella. You want to season with some salt and a few twists of freshly ground black pepper, and you want to take your knives, using two is much quicker, make sure they're really nice and sharp, and then simply chop away. There's no real technique to this, just chop away like a nutter, and this is a great way of burning off all the calories you're going to consume when you eat this beast of a sandwich. So keep chopping. When your filling is nicely chopped up, we're going to want our bread. So you can use any bread you want. This is the West Country, so I'm going with a nice farmhouse loaf, and I like to just chop off the ends, slice the bread in half, leaving a bit of a hinge, and you're going to need to remove a little bit of the filling of the bread. And then you want to spoon in your filling, be really nice and generous. Make sure you fill all of those nooks and crannies. We want this to be a really nice, dense monster of a sandwich. Once it's full, there you have the most amazing chopped Italian style sandwich. All that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.